Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking the offer and audience so every element pulls the same direction. Once done, write a single-sentence UVP that answers, "What and why now?" Then register a simple domain and pick a landing builder you know. Create a short, visible form with name and email. Make the submit button action-oriented. Make sure to craft a focused headline and subheadline above the form so visitors instantly understand the benefit. Now focus on execution. Design for clarity and speed so nothing distracts from the conversion path. Use benefit-driven copy and a single primary CTA. Once visitors read the headline, supporting 3 bullets should seal understanding. Add a relevant hero image or short explainer video to boost trust. Make sure to implement analytics and event tracking for form submissions, and create a dedicated thank you page that delivers. You finish by launching with a small budget and observing real behavior. Start a /B testing one variable at a time so results are reliable. Make sure to watch conversion rates, session recordings, and acquisition cost. Then iterate weekly on the highest impact elements like headline and CTA. When you scale budgets, preserve the exact funnel that won. Troubleshooting tip. If conversions suddenly drop, verify form submission events and third-party scripts first. Broken tracking or a blocked script is the most common.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.